यस, आई थिंक समवन हैज। अब हम बात करते हैं, वी टॉक अबाउट पॉलीगन्स, वी टॉक अबाउट एवरी थ्री साइडेड मीन्स एवरी क्लोज्ड फिगर, है ना, एनी क्लोज्ड फिगर वी टॉक अबाउट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अ फिगर polygon. So that means a triangle is what? A triangle is a polygon having three sides. Just a simple definition of the triangle. A polygon having three sides. Okay, this thing you know about a triangle. तुम लोगों को अच्छे से पता है triangle के बारे में. Then second thing you know is that it is having the sum of all its angle. इसके तीनों angles का sum जो होता है 180 होता है. That means angle sum property is 180. Okay, that it is having the sum of all angles is 180 degree. Then we come to our topic, what is the area of the triangle? How do you find the area of a triangle? So Shubham, would you like to answer how we find the area of a triangle? Okay, suppose I am taking one of the height of a triangle as this one. This is I am taking as height. You know that is perpendicular to a side. That is what? That is the height. If any side is perpendicular to another side, na, that is what? That is the height. We can take this one as height and this one we are taking as base. So we take the area of a triangle as base into height. That means if you are given with any triangle, suppose you are given with a triangle like this, okay, and you are given with its height, suppose this height is given to you and this height is equal to 6 centimeter, this base is equal to 10 centimeter. You can easily calculate the area. तुम लोग बहुत easily area calculate कर सकते हो by multiplying the base, that is 10 multiply by height, and you will cancel it out. 2 3 just 6, then it will be 30 centimeter square. Okay, you can easily calculate the area of a triangle when its base and height are given. But when the base and height are not given, then what to do? If base and height are not given, then what we are going to do in this situation? See, this is the thing we will be studying today through our new topic, that is Heron's formula. Heron's formula. You know what? Heron's a mathematician. He gave a formula about this thing. See, we all know if we have to find the area of triangle, we use the statement, we use this formula half into base into height. But this formula we can use only when we are given with base and height. But what about those triangles when we are not given with height? Suppose, for an example, just think, at your home there is a kind of tile. Okay, suppose you are having at your home this kind of tile you are having. Okay, these kind of tiles are there on your floor, then triangular shape. But and you need to find the area of this one. तुम लोगों को इसका area find out करना है, that how much it is covering. Okay, ये इसके पास कितना area है, that you need to calculate. Okay, suppose this is the tile we are having. Then I will just put a color into it. Yes, this kind of tiles are there. Then how you will calculate its area? अब तुम इसका area कैसे calculate करोगे? You don't know about its base and height. ना तुम्हें base का पता है. Okay, you don't know this thing. You don't know its height also. Height भी नहीं पता है. Then how you are going to calculate it? See, here comes then this Heron's formula in use. तब Heron's formula का हम use करते हैं. How we use it? See, we will measure each side of the triangle. देखो ये तो बहुत सिंपल है ना. Suppose you are given with any triangular shape. अगर तुम लोगों को कोई भी एक triangular shape दिया जाए, you can measure by using the measuring tape, by using a ruler. You can measure its side. Suppose I am measuring one of its side. मैं इस side का नाम रख रहा हूँ AB. Suppose I am measuring it by using my something measuring tool. I am measuring it and it is 3 meter. Okay, then I am measuring the other one, suppose it is also 3 meter, and then I am measuring the last one, it is 4 meter. So now can I find the area of triangle? Yes, I can find by using the Heron's formula that is given to us by this mathematician Heron's. Okay, so how to find? Then area of triangle is under root S minus A S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula we use. But the problem is, what are S, A, B, C here? यहाँ पे ये S क्या है, A क्या है, B क्या है? Then how do we find these things? Okay, so S is what? When you are talking about S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now, what is this semi-perimeter? Do you know about perimeter? Can anyone
Yes,
tell
sir.
me? You know about the perimeter, तुम लोगों को पता है. Perimeter is what? Perimeter is the sum of all sides of this triangle. Okay, of any triangle. Okay, so perimeter of a triangle, if you are writing, that means sum of all sides. When I am writing this word semi perimeter na, that means half of the perimeter. इसका मतलब है half. Okay, if I am taking semi perimeter, that means it is half of the perimeter. Just you need to remember this thing. Okay, so if you are taking S, then what formula you will be writing? Suppose I am taking this first side as A. You know this is in the formula A, B, C. What is this A here? This is our first side. We will be taking any of the side we can take A, then other we will be taking as B, the third one we will be taking as C. So how you will be calculating? If you need to calculate the perimeter, देखो अगर तुम perimeter calculate करोगे, suppose you are calculating perimeter, you will be writing A plus B plus C, isn't it? Would you write this thing if you are going to find the perimeter?
Yes, sir.
है ना,
Yes, sir.
you will add all the three sides. तुम तीनों sides को add करोगे. When I am talking about semi perimeter, I already told you that it is semi perimeter is what? That is half of the perimeter.
Half of.
Okay, it is half of the perimeter. Yes. So if I am talking about semi perimeter, can I write S equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2? We can write this thing. Okay, so that means the value of S, when you are finding the area of triangle by using this formula, okay, when you will be using this formula and you are going to find the perimeter of the triangle, then S you will be finding how? By adding the sides A plus B plus C, adding all the three sides of the triangle and dividing it by 2. That means you are finding what? You are finding half of the perimeter, semi perimeter, that is our S. Okay, now if you need to find the area, suppose for the same question I am finding the area, then how I will be finding? Area will be under root. Now first find the value of S. It will be 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 3 plus, it will be 10
5.
divided by 2 and you will get 5. Yes, it's correct. So now I will put the values of S, A, B, C, everything I will be putting in the question. Then it will be S is what? 5. Then 5 minus, what value of A we are having? 3. Then 5 minus, again we will be taking 3. Then 5 minus, we will be taking 4. Okay, so now just see this thing. We are having under root 5. 5 minus 3, you will get 2. 5 minus 3, again you will get 2. And then 5 minus 4, you will get 1. Now, from the pair of these two, इन दोनों का पेयर बन रहा है, that means one of them will come out of the root. So 2 under root 5. Because when we are having pairs, जब हमारे पास पेयर बन जाता है, then what we do? We take one edge out and then whatever is remaining, if any number is not having pairs, then we will keep that in root. So it is 2 root 5 meter square. Now you can find the value of root also. Root की value भी find out कर सकते हो. How you will be finding the value of root? You will take like this 5, then 0, 0, 0, 0. You will put some pairs. 2 2 ja 4. Then it will be 5 minus 4 1. This thing you have already learned in your 7th and 8th class, how to find the values of root. Okay, so then again 2 2 ja 4, then you will take 2 here. It will be almost 2.2. Okay, when you are going to find the value of root 5, it will be almost 2.2. So 2 multiply by 2.2, you will get your answer as 4.4 meter square. So you can see, if we are not given with height of a triangle ना, then still we can find the area of triangle. तब भी हम area of triangle find out कर सकते हैं. It is not necessary that every time you will look for the height of a triangle and you will say, sir, if height is not given, then we are not able to find. No. If you are given with the sides, all the three sides, okay, or if you are given with any triangular shape, you can find the area by using this formula also. This is our Heron's formula. So according to Heron's formula, first we will be finding S. It will be A plus A divided by 2, and how much it will be? 3A by 2, because A is 3 times, na? So 3A by 2. Then what is the formula to find area of triangle according to Heron's? Heron's के लिए area of triangle का formula क्या था? It is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. But you will find out one thing now. In place of S, what we are getting? S की value हम लोगों के पास क्या है? It is 3A by 2. So I will put 3A by 2. Then again 3A by 2 minus, what is in place of A की जगह तो A ही है. Then what is in place of B we are having? B की जगह पे हमारे पास क्या है?
A.
Again we are having A. Okay, so I will write A here. Then what is in place of C I am having?
A only.
Again A only. So that means if you will calculate, just see the calculation, उसको ध्यान से देखना. We are having this 3A by 2 multiply from these 2A. Can we take A common? क्या हम यहाँ से A common ले सकते हैं? Can we write it as A and 3 by 2 minus 1? Can I write this thing like this? See, I have taken this A common, then 3 by 2 minus 1. Then again from these two, can I take A common? Again can I write 3 by 2 minus 1? Is it? Then again with the third one, can I take this A common, then 3 by 2 minus 1? Are you getting? See,
Yes, sir.
now just see, this A is making pair with this one. देखो ये वाला A इस A के साथ pair बना रहे. It is making pair, so I am taking this A common. Then this A is making pair with this one, so I will take one more A. I am taking out of the root. I am taking this one out of the root, because if anything is in pair inside the root, suppose I am having under root 2 into 2, I can write it equal to 2 na. So the same thing, A into A, I am writing A outside the root. Again A into A, I am writing outside the A outside the root. Then inside what I am left with, अंदर देखो क्या क्या बचेगा. It will be 3 by 2. Okay, so 3 by 2. Here we are left with 3 by 2. Then see this one, 3 by 2 minus 1 inside the bracket. इसको side में solve करते हैं. 3 by 2 minus 1. Take the LCM. You will be having 3 minus 2 upon 1. So how much you are getting? 1 by, oh sorry, 1 by 2. LCM is 2 na. So you are getting 1 by 2. After solving 3 by 2 minus 1, you are getting what? 1 by 2. So you will write here 1 by 2. Then again here also, see, if you will solve this one, the second one, इस वाले को solve करोगे, then what you will get by solving? Again you will get
1 by 2.
And then you will solve this one, what you will get? Again you will get 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Okay, so that means if I write, see, A multiply A multiply A is what? It is A square. Okay,
square.
then now we will be taking outside the root. See, these two and these two are making pairs. These two are making pairs. So out of these two I am taking 1, 2. Then these two and these two are making pairs. So out of these two I am taking 1, 2. Okay, then 3 1 जा 3 1 जा 3. So we are having in above, we are having multiplication. अगर हम करते हैं इसका, then I am getting 3 only, and this 3 is not making pair with anyone. So this 3 will remain under root. So what formula we have derived? Under root 3 by 4 A square. So this is the formula we have derived for area of triangle by using Heron's. It is very important. See, you can get a question in exam that derive the formula for equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. Okay, by using Heron's formula you have to derive the formula for equilateral triangle. This type of question you can get in your exam and then you have to solve like this. इस तरह से solve करना है उसको. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to find the area. So first for triangle ABC हम ABC के लिए solve करेंगे. Okay, ABC. So first thing, you know what we have to do, we have to find semi perimeter S. So it will be 4 plus 7 plus 5. I will take this side as A, this side as B, this side as C. Okay, so it will be upon 2. Then 7 plus 5, it will be 12 plus 4, 16 divided by 2. So it will be 8. Yes, it is 8 meter. Then we will find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, we will use Heron's formula, under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so it will be how much? 8, 8
Right, sir.
minus 4, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 5. So how much we are getting? 8 multiply 4 multiply 1 multiply 3. Okay, now we will make some pairs. हाँ, हम pairs बनाएंगे. So first we have to split them into the lowest prime factors. 8 के prime factors, if you will do the prime factors of 8 ना, it will be 2 into 2 into 2. देखो 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8. Then 4 का prime factors, if we will do the prime factors of this 4, we will get what? 2 into
2
2.
into 2.
Then 1 we will write same, then 3 same, because we can't split. इसको split नहीं कर सकते. Now we will make the pairs. See, these two are making pair, so one of them will come out. These two are making pair, one of them will come out. Now we will be left with under root what? 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 6, because they are not forming any pair. ये तीनों कोई pair नहीं बनाते हैं. So that means the answer is 4 root 6. Okay, this is what we are getting. Now you can find the value of root 6. Root 6 की value तुम find out कर सकते हो. So it will be 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 is remaining, decimal, 2 zeros will be there, 2 2 ja 4, then you can multiply with 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17, then it is coming 2.4 almost, so you will multiply this 4 with 2.4, so how much you are getting? 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 9.6 मीटर स्क्वायर. देखो अभी पूरा काम नहीं हुआ है, इट इज नॉट द कंप्लीटेड वन. वी हैव फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी सी. इतनी टाइल का एरिया निकला है. नाउ वी विल बी फाइंडिंग फॉर ए डी सी. ए डी सी वाले का फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ए डी सी, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी नीड टू फाइंड एस. ओके, वी विल राइट इट एज S1. हम इस वाले को S1 लिख लेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन दिस S. सो S1 विल बी 3 plus 2 plus 7 divided by 2. How much? It is 3 plus 2 5.
6, sir.
And then 7, it will be 12 by 2, and you are getting 6. So now you can find the area. So area will be under root, it will be 6, 6 minus 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12. Okay, actually there is a problem. Can anyone tell me what's the problem here? Anyone having any idea about what is the problem in this question? There is a problem.
Sir, 6 minus 7. We can't subtract 7.
See, we can subtract, we will get -1, है ना. हम लोगों को यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा -1, and we are not having any formula to find the value which can calculate under root -1. Okay, that means what? And see, in the figure itself there is a problem. Can any one of you identify what thing is wrong in that figure? One thing is wrong in that figure. Can anyone tell me?
Sir, I think diagonal, sir.
Okay, you are saying the diagonal is wrong.